feel like doing a sheet mask, and one of the first things I do before I do a sheet mask is I usually put petroleum jelly or something on my lips, some kind of chapstick. I'm putting on the lip plumper that I made, and it feels so good. It's a Celavi facial mask. It says mascara, but I don't think that means mascara. It's a pomegranate, which will brighten and enhance. It's packed with antioxidants. The pomegranate extract renews and rejuvenates for radiant, fresh, and balanced skin. And it evens and smooths the complexion. So to use it, it says to thoroughly cleanse and dry your face. That's done. Take out and unfold the mask, apply it on your face, square it 15 to 20 minutes, and peel slowly from the edges. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Blah, 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 call the doctor. The product cannot dissolve in water. So I'm going to wear this mask for 15 to 20 minutes. Also, there's so much serum at the top of this. I'm trying to push it down a little bit. Open it. Whoa! I missed some. It went flying across the room. Okay, I'm going to show you something first, which is kind of maybe a little bizarre. I don't know, I've talked about this before on what to do with my leftover goop from my sheet masks, and I think I've come up with a solution. I pulled the mask out and I pushed down as much as I could because it was just dripping wet. Before I do anything, I'm going to cut the package along the edge all the way to the bottom. And pour what's left in here into this container because I can seal it with this. Alright, I'm scraping what is on this wrapper into this. I usually have a lot more than this. This is not even a great example, but it's okay. I cut the edges off so I could get all the essence out of there that I could. And for the first time, there's actually not even enough to do another complete mask. There normally is. I put a couple of pumps of aloe vera in with the leftover essence and a little bit of water. I'm stirring it up. Then I'm using one of these compressed sheet masks I ordered from Amazon, and I will include a link for these. They're sheet masks and they're compressed. Let me just use these scissors, that'd be so much faster. Okay, so when it comes out, it's like a Tums. It feels hard. It does not feel like it's going to turn into a sheet mask. It feels like a tablet. A chalky ass tablet that you don't want to eat. So let's put that down in here. And let it be soaking up all of this stuff. Alright. I'll let that sit in there and get nice and saturated. And then I can use that one later. I will use this one for now.
Ooh, face mask. Face mask.
I'm interested in what the difference in the shape's going to be. So this is what the one that came with it looks like. It smells so good. Wow, that smells fresh. So fresh and so clean. So fresh and so clean. Another thing that's kind of interesting is, oh crap, no, stop bringing that. Stop, no! I'm going to go like down so this doesn't slide off my face. But I wanted to show you guys this is already, you can't see that, it's already gotten bigger. And I probably add a little bit of more water right before I use it. So I'm gonna go relax for about 15 or 20 minutes. And after I do that, spray a stop. So I'm gonna go relax for about 15 to 20 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm taking this off. It's still really, really damp. I'm gonna wipe some of that stuff on my neck, on my hands. I feel like it's such a waste to throw that away. Okay, it's gonna be trashed. There's a lot of stuff on my skin still. I don't believe this one said to let it soak in. I think it said to wash it off. Shit, I'll go check. Okay, looks like I just let this absorb into my skin. Patted it in. It's not near as wet as it was, so it's soaking in. It still smells good. I can still smell it. It's not overpowering. It just had a really fresh scent. And it didn't smell like pomegranates, though. It smelled more like almost floral. But I liked it. I just wasn't expecting that. Okay, it's the next day. Here is the sheet mask. I'm gonna try to unfold it carefully. Hopefully it won't be a wonky shape. And then we'll put it on my face. Okay, this is good. I think this is not bad at all. It's not quite as big as the ones that came with it, which is kind of good for me because they're so big that nothing was fitting my face right. But these are nice. I like these. Now this is not as wet as it was when I first opened it. So I'm not going to keep it on as long because I feel like it will just dry more quickly. So I'll probably keep it on 5 to 10 minutes and then put my regular moisturizer on. Hopefully I won't lose track of time because I'm about to watch part 2 of Shane Dawson's Becoming Jeffree's Star video. It's so good I can't even make words right now. But I'm gonna link part 1 and 2 below. That's all that I've got right now. So if you have not watched those, you should. I think you'll like them. So anyway, I don't really see a need to review this mask. I've already talked about it. I just wanted to see how these compressed masks would work and what their shape looked like. And that's pretty much what we've done. I'm going to go back to Shane Jeffree land. And please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please ring my notification bell. I love you guys so much. And I will let you go until the next video. Mwah.